If you see there is an exclamation mark on the photo present in the gallery of your iPhone, then let us see how to fix the issue. Right now, if you see, the photo is clear. But if there is an exclamation mark and if the photo is blurred, then what you do is, the first thing is perhaps the photo has to be downloaded from the iCloud to your device. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection in your iPhone. The next thing that you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to the name at the top here, go to iCloud, go to photos. Now if you see right now the iCloud photos is off, so make sure that this iCloud photos is on. And for you, if the iCloud photos is off, then what you do is switch off the iCloud photos, and then again you have to switch back the iCloud photos. And once you do that one, you will get two options and you have to select the option download and keep original. The third thing is you just swipe the screen down, and if you have activated the low power mode in your device, make sure to deactivate the low power mode so that the photos will be downloaded from the iCloud to your device.